I'm done with prepping my skin and my face, and now I am ready to deep condition my hair. But first, let me show you what products did I use for to wash my hair or to wash my scalp. I used two different type of shampoos. I first used the Olaplex clarifying shampoo, and I've been using this shampoo now for a few months, and I use it once a month, or when it's really necessary, twice a month. I'm still trying this shampoo out. It's a new product. I was looking for a shampoo that, besides clarifying, it also removes calcium, and this shampoo does that. Like I said, it's a new shampoo and I'm still trying it out, but I'm going to make a blog post, talk more about the shampoo and also about the ingredients, because sometimes we buy new products based on what they are saying, but truly, in all honesty, the ingredient list is really the place where we need to look at to see, is it really formulated with the ingredients to do what it needs to do. But for now, let me not ramble too much. I used a clarifying shampoo, just a little bit, not too much, just to get rid of the excess buildup. And then I followed up with the, how do I pronounce this brand? Fanola. Nourishing reconstructing shampoo. And I like the shampoo because this shampoo has hydrolyzed milk protein in it. So I use this once and I use the shampoo twice. Okay, once, twice. And now I am going to use this mask, also from Fanola. I've used this mask twice already and I like it. This mask also has, where's the ingredients list? Yeah, also has hydrolyzed milk protein in it. So because I'm prepping my hair for a relaxer treatment, I'm adding more protein to my wash routine. So yeah, I'm going to use this hair mask for this treatment. So let's see how my hair is looking. All right, this is my hair. It's thick, like the new growth. Let me zoom in. I'm not sure if you can see it. Yeah, you can see it. Look at my new growth. So it is really time to relax my hair. And what is annoying about my hair, I really have different, okay, let me pull down a little bit. Ooh, okay. And what is annoying about my hair, I got different type of textures. So let me zoom in again. My edges is really coarse, but if you go inside, it's more of a looser pattern. So yeah, at the moment, oh yeah, okay, you can see it better here. Okay, you can see it better here. So this, so I really need to relax my hair, because this, I don't want to break my hair more or suffer more from breakage. So at the moment I'm 14 weeks post relaxer. The last time I relaxed my hair, or let me say retouched my new growth, was in November. Today's date is today's date is February the 18th. So yeah, I'm not going to talk in this video. I'm just going to show you how I apply the product to my hair. So I'm going to watch a series, and yeah, I let the music play so that you can see how I detangle my hair and be very cautious when it comes to dealing with 14 weeks post
Imagine, if you
lecture.
will, a person much like any one of us, standing at the crossroads of decision. Every day, we face these crossroads, moments where our choices define us. And in these moments, it's not just about making decisions, but about making the right decisions. Now, I'm not talking about choosing what to have for breakfast. I'm talking about the choices that scare us, that push us, that force us out of our comfort zones. You see, there's a powerful force within each of us, a force often untapped. It's the ability to compel ourselves to do what needs to be done, even when everything in us wants to procrastinate or avoid it. Think about the last time you really didn't want to do something. Maybe it was a tough conversation. Maybe it was a project that seemed insurmountable. We've all been there, haven't we? That moment where the easier choice is to say, I'll do it tomorrow. But here's the thing. Tomorrow becomes the next day, and the next, and soon enough, what was a molehill becomes a mountain. In these moments, the difference between success and stagnation is action. Action is the foundational key to all success. It's not just about having knowledge or talent. It's about using that knowledge, harnessing that talent. You could have the intellect of Einstein, but without action, it's like having a library of books that you never read. So how do we tap into this force? How do we push ourselves to take action, especially when it's tough? Well, that's the journey we're on together today. It's about understanding the why behind the what. It's about learning to embrace the discomfort of growth. Because let me tell you, growth and comfort do not coexist. I want you to think about a goal, a dream, something you've been putting off. Hold that in your mind as we embark on this discussion. Because today isn't just about theories and words. It's about transformation. It's about turning I can't into I will. And believe me, the journey from I can't to I will is where all the magic happens. Dive into this together, shall we? Let's explore how we can harness this force within us, how we can turn the tide in our favor and truly set sail towards our dreams. Remember, it's not just about the destination, it's about the journey. And this journey, my friends, is about discovering the incredible power of self-discipline.
I'm done with applying the hair mask to my hair, and I am going to sit on a hooded dryer for, let's say, 20 minutes. Yeah, let's do that because my hair really needs some extra TLC, especially in my nape area. Like, it is really, really bad. But yeah, let me do that. Let me cover my hair first. All right, I set 20 minutes under the hooded dryer and let my hair rest for another 10-15 minutes. So this is my hair. It feels so soft. It really feels so soft. So I'm going to rinse out the conditioner and showing you the end result. It really feels so soft. Look. Woo! Maybe I'm going to flat iron my hair. Let's see, because my hair really feels soft. Ooh. My hair feels good. It looks good. Look how gorgeous my hair looks. Listen, I will always say and keep promoting condition, condition, condition. Condition your hair. A little bit of breakage, but that's okay. This is it. Can you see it?